I've got a decrease on the cod when it's in the pastry stick. So we'll just get a little knife, slide it in, pull it out. Absolutely, yeah. When we go on this, it'll be all hands on deck for sure. Yeah. Did you find another herring roe, Hazel?
No, I didn't.
Yeah, I will.
I don't know if you could look in some of our boxes. Like, you know, our boxes. There's 2 at the back and 2 in our fridges.
But
yeah.
Are you putting it away in the canapé box when it comes in?
No, I didn't. I actually just put that on top, so I don't know where that went.
Okay. I thought we'd have more. One new one. Like, I thought we'd have more.
Where, how many can you for it? 1, 2?
If you find them, one. Yeah, red line dish cake. Good. Take Humphrey and Dan Humphrey on the table next door. Hello. How many?
22.
Right, okay, they're clear. So we need to get these off, we need to get the scallops on, and then we need to rock and roll.
Can I pour the wine and put it on?
Yeah, we're about 6 minutes away.
Take that long?
Yeah. Second Ludo's got fuck all to do today. It looks really moody.
Right, a little bit more on there, get that in there, then you can start the scallops.
Alright, keep an eye on them, keep them basted.
Yeah.
Keep them sexy, yeah?
Yeah. I'm going to leave them there while I do sauce.
Sweet. How soon?
Somebody needs to do the pork belly when I've done the katsu.
Yeah.
So we need to get a fresh tray, flip it upside down so that presentation side is the bottom side that it's cooked. Yeah? Tray's down there.
Yeah.
Are you alright if I go sauce?
Yeah, don't go like mega quick, you know what I mean?
Yep.
They look fucking lush.
They smell gorgeous, don't they?
That's roaring, yeah.
About 15 minutes on.
Generally on the top, like the top of this right. Yeah. You want to do dish meal, Hazel?
Dish what?
Dish meal.
Yeah, if you want.
We can do alternate and it's nice. I'll be with you.
Yeah. Sorry. Can you bring it along, Dan, please? Thank you. How many more have I got left? Get the best ones.
These ones down the side,
A bit split.
start to split.
Yeah. Just got all the pork on.
we get any more,
Someone, DJ, can you jump on shallot?
Who was it?
On shallot? Just finger it on. To get it right,
Yeah.
But it's nice and cool.
Do you want to do?
No, you do it. I'll follow the zest, and then
Okay.
I'll start to run. All right. I like green olive. Right, obviously these, are they feeling quite sturdy, ready?
They're not bad.
Yeah, they're quite
You are
flat
just going to be
bottom,
careful on the way.
Yeah. So they've still got to do for the cutlery and wine, so they're still probably still like 5-6 minutes away.
It's all good, Chef.
Happy?
Over the moon.
Lovely.
Yeah, I've had about 3 pieces of bread.
Lovely. Good. Are they alright with bread? I didn't leave it on anymore. Good, Benny G? Yeah.
Yeah.
Showing the camera.
Lovely. I'm glad it's not pointing at me. Oh, sorry. Put these away. There's loads of bone marrow. Do you want to use it, or do you want to save some back just in case?
So some back.
Yeah.
How many pots have you done? How are we doing now?
Just see, we've got 8 that you've given me.
Just have a combination of sorries for oil.
Yes, please. Do you want
Around, over.
Liam, do you want to show Dan how to do the?
I'm a bit weird with my green oil DJ, I'm sorry. Everything.
I think they call that a fetish, DJ. Green oil fetish.
You wait till we get a banger on, we'll just fucking clear it out, shall we?
Andy, sauce? Sauce, Andy? Sauce?
Right, crumbage DJ. Just on the nice, delicately on the Dawn's fish, yeah?
Andy, do you want to grab another pan of sauce? Just here.
Right, I'm going to start running squadron, yeah?
Do you want me
Yeah.
to start running?
Yeah, please, actually.
Do you want to finish that?
Okay, pop it down.
Right, so we'll do the far side table 1, near side table 1, yeah? We all know the drill. Don't let Ludo near a fucking plate.
go in, yeah?
Yeah, I'm with you. But Roddy, we'll do these plates that side, and then we'll go white bowls this side, yeah? Like we did on the first pick.
Right, we better hurry up
So
with
it means
these
6
white
left, don't roll
bowls,
me
please.
a sub, yeah?
Dan,
6 bowls, yeah?
can we get some oil on these ones? Right, lovely. And then breadcrumbs, lovely.
Do you want to follow with oil to hazel
Around the
sauce?
outside?
Yeah.
Alright, got 6 of this. Yeah. Right, cool.
Jack, you might want to leave that.
Leave it?
Just because Liam is really fussy about that. Do you want to just oil these?
Can I get some more crumage? It's got to be like all over the fish. Like sexy, like you want it, yeah? Sexy, yeah. Sexy.
Go through now, yeah? Is that 6? 6 to 6?
Yeah. Ready? Two of these at the end of the table 1.